opportunity bang dumarating? Let me share about a business owner. Tawagin natin siyang Christy. She ran a travel agency for several years. Maliit lang pero steady. Mostly local tours and group bookings. Tapos dumating yung araw, may isang large corporate client na nag-reach out sa kanya. Dahil na-impress sila sa kanyang service and they wanted to book multiple trips for their employees over the next year. Big volume, consistent bookings. Pero handling it properly would mean upgrading her booking system, hiring an assistant, and putting in more time and energy. Oo nga, yung investment was not really huge, pero it required careful planning. You see, Christy was finally paying herself a comfortable salary at meron siyang mga plano for a family vacation which was already long overdue at tapos gusto pa niyang bumili ng isang maliit na condo. So, nag-hesitate siya nung dumating itong client na to. Sabi niya, okay na ako sa kinikita ng negosyo ko, pero paano kung ma-overextend ako at mawala yung meron na ako? So, she spent a few days analyzing her numbers. Tapos, pumunta siya dito sa akin at nagkonsulta siya. And we weighed the risks together. Na-realize niya na kung hindi niya i-take advantage itong opportunity na to, etong client na to would likely go to another agency and this opportunity could be gone forever. So, Christy made the tough choice. Sabi niya, bababaan ko yung sweldo ko for a few months para makapag-invest ako sa right tools, para makapag-hire ako ng one part-time assistant para matulungan ako to manage the load. So she expanded only as much as was realistic without overextending herself. Kaya within 1 year, corporate bookings became a major part of her income na. Her business grew steadily and yes, she eventually took that family vacation at nabili niya yung kanyang condo na gusto niya without putting herself or her business at unnecessary risk. So ano ang lesson dito, anak? Kapag merong rare opportunity na kumakatok, sometimes you need to adjust your lifestyle temporarily to open the door for this opportunity, but always within realistic limits. And don't forget, be business-minded, Pinoy.